In the meantime, a commitment to residents in parts of Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine that as of May next year, the drought problems will be a thing of the past. The commitment comes as parts of the country battle a historic dry period.
The drought is on, and residents are feeling the effects. Many, including those in the corporate area, are now looking to the state for a permanent fix to this seemingly annual problem. Water Minister Matthew Samuda says the $92 million Rio Cobre water treatment project is coming soon and will supply 15 million gallons of water daily to sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as part of Portmore and Spanish Town.
That 15 million gallons represents the shortfall that we have during times of drought with a little addition. So it gives additional capacity even for growth in population and commercial use along those corridors.
The minister is confident that come next year, once this project is complete, the current problems will disappear.
We're not just empathizing and sympathizing. We're actually investing in ending the problem. In your worst drought, you're short 12 million gallons demand versus supply. This will supply 15 million gallons. We don't expect to have the problem in May of next year going forward. Certainly in the eastern belt of south of Jamaica.
Until then, some Jamaicans will have to put up with reduced water supply, and tighter restrictions are also likely as some parishes get historically low levels of rainfall. The water minister was speaking with the media after a tour of the facility's worksite in Content, St. Catherine.
We're happy with the progress of the Vinci-led construction team. NWC is eager for it to be completed to be able to pull the water that it needs for the corporate area, as I said, by end of next year, May. The project is on time, it is on budget, and myself and P.S. Robertson are very happy with the progress.
But people in other parts of the country are also feeling the pinch from the drought and are wondering if a fix is coming soon for their area too.
The largest water project is in the northwest of the island, where the pipes are being laid between Martha Brae and Negril. That phase of the Western Water Resilience is $170 million. This is $92 million, so that is $80 million more. So we are active in a number of spaces. They are in the engineering and training and land acquisition phase in Pedro Plains with the irrigation scheme. When they enter the construction phase later this year, that will be the construction phase of approximately $200 million. So it gives you an idea of the sort of commitment the government has made to improving the water infrastructure in Jamaica.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.